In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Many people don't know that you can actually create and add both audio and video files in Messages app on this iPhone. To do that, launch Messages and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to first add an audio file, you need to click on this plus on the left and select audio. Then record it, and when you're ready, end it thanks to this red button on the right. Then listen to it thanks to this play one. Discard it by clicking on this X, or send it by clicking on this green button available on the right. If you want to create and add a video window, you need to click on the same plus, and this time select Photos section. Now hold this line at the top of this section and drag it all the way up. This way you can click on any video after locating it here and tap on this checkmark at the top right corner to add it to your message. If you can't find it though, you can use all of those options available at the bottom. This magnifying glass at the bottom right one to type in whatever you want to and this way find your photo. Those three dots to, for example, sort your apps. Anything to make it easy for you to look, or hit collections at the top right next to photos to find your video here. Either way, just click on it and use the same checkmark at the top right corner. Additionally, if you want to record a video and add it from Message app, you can do that as well. Click on the same icon on the left, and this time select Camera section available at the top of this pop-up. Then switch from photo to video at the bottom. Operate all of those options at the top and or above the shutter. Switch your camera to the one you wanna use by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner. And if you change your mind, close your camera without recording thanks to this X at the top left one. I want to record my video though, so I will enter it again and start recording. You can pause or unpause your recording thanks to this button on the left. To end it completely, use the same one as before in the middle. Now you can hit retake at the top left corner if you want to create your video again. You can choose edit at the bottom left corner to manage it. Then if you made any changes, hit done at the top right one. You can tap on done at the top right corner to attach your video to your message. Or you can create it and send it right away by clicking on blue icon at the bottom right corner instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!